Hi guys, Glen here again from Metro Hobbies. Well, now we have some new Airfix kits, including, again, the much anticipated Vulcan B2 right here. Now this baby has got nothing to do with the original kit. This is all new tooling and it's a beast. I'm sure you've seen reviews on this online already, but now they're in stock and we have them right here, and this has got heaps in its box. So let's look inside. Okay, first things first, typical of Airfix, amazing box art. I love their box art, it's fantastic. To where they're going these days, they have always had, since I can remember, excellent box art, and this is no exception. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, in the box, we have massive wing. I mean, this thing is big, and I mean big. Beautiful detailed, of course, being Airfix, it is always going to be a treat. This one is kind of in their typical grey-blue plastic. Amazing recessed detailing right there. Top and bottom half looks excellent. The clear sprue looks pretty straightforward and quite clear, from what I can see. Again, we have the tail and the flaps along the side here, and other bits which I'm not too familiar with, but that's what's on this sprue. Again, here we have the bomb. Yes, that's a bomb, let me tell you. Right here, and along other, there's a few other bits and pieces here too. Engine detail is right here, along with the center spar, which goes right across the wing, obviously to give it the proper dihedral. And from what I can see, there is really, really nice quality details here. I mean, it's really, really nice. Okay, some more bombs there, and there we have the front of the aircraft, which is the cockpit area. Seat detail is terrific with seat belts molded in. The bomb bay doors can be open or closed, obviously, it gives you an option. And then again, we get to the engine detail, super engine details right there, which gives you, here it gives you the landing gear, the ladder to get in and out of the aircraft, and so on and so forth. Instructions, typical Airfix instructions with a painting guide and stenciling guide too, I think it is. So you get, what do we get here? You get the Lincolnshire, England 1966 version, which is apparently it's preserved in the Newark Air Museum, which is beautiful. It's the dark green and medium sea green, beautiful color scheme, it looks lovely. On the other side, it is now, hang on, this version is the flash, is it? The atomic flash version, so anti-nuclear flash version, all white, which is beautiful. And you get a stenciling guide. So you get two decal options and a stenciling guide. And of course, Airfix's excellent instructions, which are very informative and easy to follow, giving you no more than 143 steps. Weekend job. So guys, this one is a beauty, a must-have for those post-World War II aircraft collectors. Lovely. Now, we also have here another newcomer, also anticipated because I've heard a lot about this kit. It's the Havilland Chipmunk T10. This has been quite popular. It's also been very well received on the internet, on other websites as well, but it's a little beauty. It's actually a nice kit. It's in 148 scale, where the Avro is in 172 scale, the Avro Vulcan. This kit is, again, the same quality plastic as always with Airfix. It is really, really nice. Guys, you're going to love this one. If you like, again, these kind of aircraft, post-World War II, start 50s, 60s especially, this is a gem. The detail is excellent, especially the cockpit. It's got beautiful inner wall detail. It has, excuse me, it has really nice surface detail, as you would expect from Airfix these days. Looks really, really pretty. The wingspan is really lovely. It is, geez, that's got excellent rivet detail there, and even fabric detail under the wings. It's really, really nice. Guys, you've got to see this kit. It's beautiful. A lot of nice rivet detail there, raised and recessed. Engine detail looks excellent. Let's have a look at this. You've got the cockpit, yes, wheels, the spar that keeps the dihedral correct with the wings, tail, stabilizers, and cockpit detail, which actually looks really, really nice. It's a nice kit, beautiful. So get to looking at one of these if you like doing this kind of error. This is the one to go for. Decals is beautiful. They are, I guess they look like they're made by Cartograph. They are really, really nice quality decals. You get instrument panel details there as well, plus the stenciling. Really, really nice stuff. Okay, it comes with 1, 2, 3, I guess there's 3 options, is it? Yes, no, 4 options. Wow, 4 options, including the box art, which is, I can have a look at the color schemes in this one. It gives you, okay, so it's insignia red with aircraft grey and silver. Lovely color scheme right there. Plus another one from Wallop in Hampshire, England, 1968. This one is in dark matte earth and dark green. Wow, okay. Very nice. So, some really, really nice, that looks like dark earth and midstone, but yeah, okay. Again, some really, really nice stuff out of Airfix. Nice color schemes, guys. If you want to do this kit, you will have a ball with this one. Let me tell you, it's beautiful. The canopy or the glass areas look really, really nice. High quality, clear right through. Excellent. It can be open or closed. And it looks like it's going to be another big hit there for Airfix. Okay, we have some reissues here. We also have, what have we got? We have the Beach Buggy. Now this hasn't been out for quite some time. It is another little classic. This one is in 132 scale to go with the other 132nd scale vehicles. This one is a little gem. We have 2 starter sets, the Tiger 1, which I think this one's the earlier version. No, it just says Tiger 1. And we have the RAF Red Arrows Hawk back in again. So we've got those 2 to choose from if you want everything included in the kit. Which it comes with the glue, paintbrush and paints if you want to do that, or the acrylic of course. And a Stuka B1, I think this has obviously been reissued with new decals. A lovely kit, built one of these before, 172 scale, but it's still a really nice aircraft. And of course now this one here, the Handley Page HP 42, this one's a Hercules classic kit. This hasn't been out for quite a while, much again sought after. Again, these are in stock. These are going to go like hotcakes. They're a nice little kit and lovely to build. I built one of these many, many years ago, guys, but still something you've got to have. Finally, we have a dogfight doubles, F4F Wildcat and the Mitsubishi Zero. Coming up to Pearl Harbor, the anniversary of Pearl Harbor in December this year, while we have these little gems, okay, and it would be a great little addition to your collection of aircraft. Guys, fun kit to build. I've built the Wildcat some time ago. Excellent kit, so this will be a great little combo. Okay, that's it for now. Until next time, stay safe, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.